First, go to the Fiverr website and log into your account. Then click on the My Business tab on top menu bar and click on the Gig sub-menu. Finally, you have to click on the Create a New Gig button. Gig title. This is the title of your gig, and it will be what buyers see when they search for your services. Make sure it is clear, concise, and relevant to your services. Gig category. This is the category that your gig will be listed under. Choose a category that is relevant to your services and that buyers are likely to search for. Gig metadata. In the Fiverr world, metadata means something about structured gig description and gig extras. It's helped the buyers find the specific gig they are looking for more easily. Search tags. First off, let's be clear, there are no Fiverr search tags that you must add to your gig in order to make them rank better and make more money. The best Fiverr search tags are the most relevant tags to your gig that people are actually searching for. You can also use long-tail keywords, which are more specific and less competitive than short-tail keywords. You can add up to 5 search tags to your gigs. However, it's important to note that not all search tags are created equal. Some tags are more popular than others. Here are some tips for choosing the right Fiverr search tags. 1. Use relevant keywords that buyers are likely to search for. 2. Use long-tail keywords to be more specific. 3. Use a variety of keywords to cover all your bases. 4. Avoid using too many keywords, as this can make your gigs look spammy. 5. Keep your search tags up to date as new keywords become popular. Fiverr management tools and industry and gig metadata are the tools and resources that sellers can use to manage their gigs and improve their visibility on Fiverr. These tools can help sellers to choose the right keywords. As mentioned earlier, keywords are important for increasing the visibility of your gigs on Fiverr. Gig management tools can help you to choose the right keywords by providing you with a list of suggested tags based on your keywords. Write a clear and concise gig description. The gig description is one of the most important factors in determining whether a buyer will click on your gig. Gig management tools can help you to write a clear and concise gig description by providing you with templates and examples. Set competitive prices. The price of your gig is also important for attracting buyers. Gig management tools can help you to set competitive prices by providing you with information about the average price of similar gigs. Track your performance. Gig management tools can help you to track the performance of your gigs by providing you with data on impressions, clicks, and sales. This is the end of this video. In next video, you will learn how to create an outstanding package in your gig and make it more attractive to your customer. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.